If anybody asks, do you want to do a almost 600-mile bike ride, tell them to go f themselves. I'm never doing anything like this again. This is just ridiculous.
Definitely been a much more enjoyable cycle today. We've had a bit of rain, but it's definitely been more enjoyable than previous days.
So tired. All of my muscles ache. Sleep doesn't seem to do anything anymore. Yeah. Just wake up sore as I did the day before, and then it's more riding. Packed it up on top. I don't know whether I'll be able to do anything like this again and finish it, but God, it's going to be painful.
Definitely on the coast now. Temperatures dropped quite a bit. It's quite nice though. God. This is painful, man. Seriously. whole lot more distance in a lot less time. Maybe next time we use some road bikes.
Anybody else, do you want to do a almost 600-mile bike ride? Tell them to go f*** themselves. I'm never doing anything like this again. This is just ridiculous. It's an endurance test and I don't think I'm going to pass.